Don't let the fake news pull the wool over your eyes. Stack up your evidence, play smart, and don't get lamboozled. The game contains 4 types of cards: news cards, context cards, evidence cards, and action cards. You start with 3 decks face down in the center of the table: news cards, context cards, and a mix of evidence and action cards. Start the round by flipping over 1 news card and 4 context cards. Deal each player 5 cards face down from the evidence cards deck. Each round, you'll use your evidence cards to support or challenge different news stories. But there's only some evidence cards that you can play. 1-point evidence cards that apply to the news card on the table, or 2-point and 3-point evidence cards that apply to the context cards and tell you what other information is available that round. Your goal is to build the strongest hand of evidence. Whether the news is real or fake doesn't really matter. It's cheap news after all. What matters is having the best evidence for it being real or fake, meaning the highest number of points when the evidence cards are added up. So on your turn, you can pick a new card from the evidence deck and keep building your case, or play an action card. Or, if you're confident that you have a pretty strong case, submit your evidence by placing those cards, not your entire hand, on the table and reading them out. This forces everyone else to submit their own best evidence, and the player with the highest number of points wins the round. If you suspect someone's evidence is shaky, you can challenge them, and the rest of the players vote whether the evidence can be used. Play as many rounds as you like, and most importantly, don't get lamboozled. Lamboozled.com